Hi all, welcome to the Nature Store. They say that the simplest solution is almost always the best. This applies not only to your life problems but also to your skincare issues too. Take the example of rice water. Most of us throw away the water left over after washing or cooking the rice, but little do we realize that the scratchy water is a solution to many skincare issues. Rice for skin can be used as a rice face pack for skin whitening, skin brightening, removing suntan, getting rid of skin dirt which causes pimples and acne, and to give even skin tone. Rice is the biggest solution to any skin issues you face. Have you ever thought of incorporating rice water in your skincare routine? Well, it's really easy to make and has multiple benefits for hair and skin. Rice water is loaded with antioxidants, amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E. It is especially great for hair as well as skin. In fact, in China, Japan as well, Southeast Asia women have been using rice water for skin and hair for centuries. Let us see how to prepare the rice water. Take a cup of rice. You may choose any variety of rice. Give it a quick rinse to clean it. Pour 3 cups of water into the rice so that it gets soaked well. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. Use your fingers to gently stir and rinse the rice and press down the rice. And then strain the rice and collect the water in a glass bottle. Soak a cotton ball in rice water and apply it all over your face. Let it dry for 30 minutes. Wash it off with water after it gets dry and the rice water is well absorbed in the skin. Rice water is extremely good for the skin. A study found that application of rice water prevents the skin from UV damage and protects the natural barrier of the skin. It has significant anti-aging benefits as it promotes pro-collagen synthesis. Thus, it prevents wrinkles and transepidermal water loss and promotes epidermal thickening. Another form of rice that helps the skin to restore its natural beauty and helps in brightening is rice flour. Rice flour face pack with oats is one of the best ways to ensure skin whitening and brightening. Oatmeal has amino acids in it which can lighten marks, skin discoloration and dark spots. Oats contain vitamin B1 which is a great vitamin source to boost blood circulation and enhance the effects of skin whitening. Let's jump into the method of making this face pack. All you need is 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of oats. Mix these ingredients until they form a thick paste. Apply the pack all over your face and leave it for about over 8 to 10 minutes. Once it is dried and once it is done and dried, rinse it off with cold water. Use this face pack twice a week for better results for removing tan. Vitamin E in oats also helps to correct the skin discoloration, makes the skin dewy and glowing. Oatmeal can absorb excess oil from the skin. Excess oil not only makes the skin look darker but also raises the chance of getting breakouts and acne. And also oats are great for all the skin types. Try going for natural remedies for any skin related issues. Nothing else works up to the mark. Follow us on Instagram to know more about the organic products we sell. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Please try all these remedies and get back to us. Subscribe to our channel for more such skincare videos. Thank you.